Please check out our shirt on Tespring.
Hey folks, guess what? Bring the camera a little back, a little forward. Lost my tripod. So, guys from a general store in Stockton, California. Back to 2 factory sealed, 3 cards per pack. So it's like 2 packs and 3 cards per pack. Series 1. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, these pop out of nowhere. Joe, he's with the Giants now. There's your Carlos Santana. Could be, he's having a decent career. So I guess there's a bunch of cards, I guess. So the first one is here, so Jack Mars. Patrick Wilson. Big claim. You may find autograph cards. They're so different. Rain batting leaders. Grove, I guess. Lancet. Battle team. Such a bad boy. It could be a good card. He'd choose to be a bad boy. Very turn. Sad, this could be like a card. Maybe anything stupid. In the second pack. Some of these freebies. Ryan. I got, they're in love. I guess he hit a no-hitter or something. Big no-hitter, I mean. Right over there. And here are the 3 packs, and again on 3 cards per pack. Guys from the general, Sergeant today. Oh, okay, it's kind of a good card here. Very good card. Okay, maybe the Hulk. Doug Hulk. And Lewis Carnes. And there's next. Oh, back to back. Good play. Okay. Can't complain. Gilbert. Arnold. I mean the Rockies. Couple good cards here. Yeah, good cards. So that's for the video. You get these for $1. You get like 9 cards. And got a couple good cards. Can't complain. So let me know, like and subscribe if you know anything. Maybe we'll be there next time. Thanks for watching.